SDG, or known as Sustainable Development Goals, is a program that was agreed upon by UN member states on September 25, 2015. The objectives of SDG are to improve and maintain the economic welfare of the community, the sustainability of social and environmental quality life, inclusive development, and the implementation of governance so that the quality of life of the world community can be improved. One way to achieve the SDG energy goals is to replace non-renewable energy with renewable energy, whereas their resources emit little to no greenhouse gases, thus are better for the environment and our health. Nowadays, electric cars are part of the plans for renewable energy, as many manufacturing factories for electric vehicles have emerged lately. This electric car is a type of vehicle that fully or partially runs by electricity, as it has to be charged first to operate. Is there something wrong with the ordinary car we use? The answer is no. Then, why should we use electric cars? Using an electric car will be environmentally friendly because it produces fewer emissions, less noises, affordable and easy maintenance, and only requires charging the battery. Some electric car users use their cars for long-distance trips or activities which require quite a lot of energy. However, most electric cars will only travel a maximum of around 300 kilometers, which takes 3 until 6 hours to charge when the battery has run out. The shortage of energy capacity in a charging station becomes an issue for long-range trips or night rides. People are afraid to purchase electric cars because the fear of running out of battery in the middle of the road and far from the charging station also needs to be solved. In Indonesia, this has become an issue for the government to promote green energy vehicles, like electric cars, to be regularly used by Indonesian people. Currently, the number of charging stations in Indonesia is only 219 stations spread across the country, whereas these numbers are relatively small compared to other countries such as China, the USA, and the United Kingdom. The lack of places to charge your car, like the charging stations and your home, makes you consider not using electric cars as your transportation mode. Therefore, we are developing the idea of utilizing a solar panel that is connected directly to an electric car. It works by converting sunlight into electricity with the help of photovoltaic cells inside the solar panel. This electricity will flow to the solar charge controller before being stored in the power bank. When the main battery has run out, we can charge the battery with electricity from the power bank itself. This can act as an emergency power source, as it will supply the necessary energy for the car, especially during the night. The stored energy inside the power bank will be able to support the car for roughly 6 hours. Just by switching on the power button on the power bank, the car will be charged with electricity from the power bank, and you will not worry about running out of battery when you are far from the charging station. This will be helpful to get your car to the nearest place to charge it fully. The use of electric cars can help achieve the goals of SDG energy. Modifying an electric car using a solar cell power bank can increase the energy efficiency of using an electric car. Using a solar cell power bank in an electric car not only replaces the use of non-renewable energy, but also serves as source of emergency power when traveling long distances. This will greatly benefit places like Indonesia, where there is a limited number of charging stations. It is hoped that the social community will not hesitate or be afraid to buy and use an electric car as a mode of transportation for short and long distance travel. Don't be afraid, electric cars with powerbank solar cells won't let you stop in the middle of your journey.